Does this orangutan really have a driver's license? And yes, the answer will fascinate you. This is Rambo, an orangutan who lives in an animal collection in Dubai. He became interested in cars at an early age, so his owner decided to teach him to drive. He immediately showed significant progress and drives very confidently off-road. Even though he doesn't have a real driver's license, he is allowed to drive the golf carts off-road at any time. He also drives better than some people. What do you think about Rambo? Follow if you love animals.